You must be aware of the current situation with Shiba Inu as the market is in a tumble. You should not miss this video if you are interested in Shiba Inu or own SHIB tokens. What then has recently transpired with Shiba Inu Coin? Is the value of Shiba Inu going to be affected by all of this? All of this new information about Shiba Inu that has just surfaced will be answered in today's video, along with any questions you may have. Please watch the whole video from beginning to finish so that you do not miss any of the material that I have gathered. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. But first, let's check out the chart to see how the Shiba price is doing on April 29th before we get into our issue, shall we? Approximately 1,364 Shiba Inu units are being sold today. In the past day, the price of Shiba has increased by 2%, with $200 million in trade volume in only 1 hour. With a market valuation of more than $8 billion, the token is now the 19th most valuable cryptocurrency. Remember that all rates are subject to change at the time of video release. This content is not financial advice. Alright then, I'll begin today's video. Dear meme, speculators worry that whales will dump Pepe Doge and Shiba Inu coins. The gains made following the previous fall have been obliterated by the volatility of the cryptocurrency market. Meme coins have taken a beating from the recent price swings in the main cryptocurrencies, sending whales into a state of fear. Meme coins' market worth dropped 3.6% to $49.7 billion after weekend sell-offs, falling below the $50 billion threshold. Big fish get out of top meme coins. Large whales sold out their meme currency holdings in a panicked market last week. This occurred after just on-chain measures, a climate of overall pessimism, and unknown macro events. A Pepe whale reportedly made almost $3 million by selling 438 billion tokens, as reported by Look and Chain. Because of the heightened selling pressure, the whale made the transaction at a loss of $434,000. It was recently reported that a trader on Pepe used 10 times leverage to go long, and now they're losing more over $3.36 million. Bullish efforts within the same time window are still being impacted by this meme coin market constraint. On a similar note, another Pepe whale made $1.14 million by selling 150 billion tokens. The asset's trading volumes have dropped, which has affected new users such as Pepe, Doge, and Shib, who are also affected by the meme coin decrease. In the last 30 days, many assets' values have plummeted, erasing robust holdings. Dogecoin holders were hoping for a huge run to $1 before the cycle peak this year, but their optimism has now faded. With a 3% drop last week and a 1% drop today, the asset is trading at $0.16. Even if the community demonstration is ongoing, similar figures can be seen in the SHIB pricing as well. Meme currency confidence has hit all-time lows as whale interest has plummeted this year. Would bulls be able to take action? Meme coin market capitalization surpassed $70 billion last year because to increased institutional investment in the cryptocurrency sector. As a communicative buzz, meme coins are quite volatile and ride the broader market upswings. A meme coin drive is heavily dependent on altcoins making a comeback, according to most industry experts. This has the potential to propel Doge and Shib, among others, to new heights in Q4 2024 and beyond. However, given the current climate of fear rather than hope, a market worth below $50 billion might be a significant obstacle to signs of recovery. Please, if you are still here, hit that like button. Your support means the world to me. If you want to know what's happening with Shiba Inu and the future of the Shiba Inu currency, you should keep watching this channel. In the 18 months after its inception, Shibarium, which is designed for the Shiba Inu blockchain, has processed $1 billion worth of transactions. After 18 months of introduction, the Shiba Inu ecosystem's Layer 2 blockchain, Shibarium, has processed 1 billion transactions. With 10 million blocks and 1 billion transactions completed without any downtime, Shibarium has shown itself to be a reliable and popular cryptocurrency. This success demonstrates the ecological benefit of SHIB, lends credence to its burn mechanism, and has the potential to generate value in the long run by increasing demand and scarcity. 1 billion transactions have been recorded on SHIB's Layer 2 blockchain. Just lately, Shibarium made an announcement on its official X account announcing that, since its introduction in August 2023, it has achieved 1 billion transactions. This demonstrates the technological resilience of Shibarium, since these transactions were executed in 10 million blocks without any significant outages or problems. With this achievement, the SHIB Army's community support was on full display, as was the ecosystem's growing acceptance and activity. Up the road, Shibarium hopes to become a roll-up hub that can accommodate user-defined Layer 3 roll-ups. With Bone as the transaction gas token, developers would be able to construct specialized apps on top of Shibarium. With an optimistic view, this milestone looks down on Shiba Inu, improving its ecological utility, bolstering the burn mechanism, and perhaps driving long-term value via increasing scarcity and demand are all benefits of this. Traders of the SHIB token, however, shouldn't anticipate any sudden changes to its value. The primary motivation for imitation coins is often speculative curiosity due to their muted nature. As of this writing on Thursday, it is trading at about 1,360 units, which is 42% below its 2024 annual high of 2,400 units and 86% below its 2023 all-time high of 8,800 units. In sum, the success bodes well for the development of the ecosystem. Broader acceptance, market circumstances, and ongoing community participation are expected to determine the price trajectory of SHIB. The meat of today's video is about to begin. The golden age of Shibarium has arrived. Lucy, the official marketing lead for Shiba Inu, has tweeted the good news that the golden era of Shibarium has come, according to the SHIB team. The X account linked to the SHIB team's Shibarium updates published a post on this subject, which she shared. Lucy's statement on X states that Shibarium is establishing its legacy, and that the gold era of Shibarium has arrived. An essential message, which she delivered to the community, was to hold fast and not let yourself be coerced out of your stance. The evolution of Shibarium reflects our own. The aforementioned Shibarium updated article alludes to many eras in American history that were characterized by development and change. During this time, the Age of Gold, this is reminiscent of several phases of Shibarium. According to the essay, and Layer 2 blockchain is presently entering a golden age of maturity, facilities, and practical use. Remember that all rates are subject to change at the time of video release. This content is not financial advice. A large number of our subscribers have expressed their unwavering belief in the Shiba Inu creators and the practical usefulness of SHIB, stating that they will not be selling millions of them for the next 5 years. Tell me how many are in your possession. Please disclose all of your SHIB holdings in the space provided below. It's great that the SHIB holder has faith in what's happening. If you're having fun with the video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts on the Shiba Inu token in the comments. In addition, if you would want to get alerts whenever we upload a new video, you should enable post notifications.